Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Balram Prasad and I'm working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. In earlier videos, we have seen how to create Chat GPT-4 mini model, and also we have seen how to chat with our own text data inside Azure OpenAI Studio. In next video, we are going to see how we can chat with image data or videos or media related data, so we can see that one. Before we go to that demo, I just wanted to show you that OpenAI Studio is getting a new look and how that new look is going to look like. So right now I am in Azure portal, and then we can see that we have options to go to Azure OpenAI Studio. Right now this OpenAI Studio is open and we have seen this UI into earlier videos, and we can see there is toggle given for new version. Also we can see from this place that how to explore the new experience. On the very home page, we can see that there are different options provided inside UI. Either we want to go and play with chat playground or assistant playground, or we wanted to bring our own data, which we have seen into earlier video. We have completion playground, and then we can play with DAL-E playground for images. Same thing from left side, we can see that different options which we have, right? Chat, completion options, DAL-E, assistant preview is there. And then in model section, we can see catalog of models, which models are present, and we can use for custom model, or we can deploy a same model. And that's what we did into one of the earlier video. So we can see our deployment here. We can use data files for training purpose when we are going to see how to fine tune a model, and batch jobs and other. And then we have quota. If you exceeding quota or you need more than what you are using, you can go for quota. And then content filter, we can create our own filter to limit whatever response it is going to give, right? Now let's go to new look, right? So we can play with new look. And in the new look, we can see that similar options are there in the very home page. Now it looks like very clean version of that UI, where we have options for playground, same chat playground, bring your own data, completion playground, and image playground. And also there are common examples given, and that will be getting more and more now. So that's what, and learning resources is also given. Now that model section is renamed as a model catalog, so that we can properly know that what models are there, right? And then there are options where we can go and raise the access early request. If any new model is coming, we can go and get that one. And then same, all the UI is enhanced with new flow, new clean UI, chat, assistant, and also images are there where we can play with DAL-E. Completion service are there, which is deployment is needed, so we will see later. Then we can fine tune one of the models where we can select model and train that one with the new data sets. That's what we can do. Similar batch job is getting a relook over there. Apart from all this, you can see the deployment, where our deployment is going to come, and we can have see that new app deployment is also coming. So we will see how to create a new app deployment. Apart from that, content filter is same, quota is same, data file we have seen that how to upload, going to upload for new training purpose. New is vector store. They have given integration from vector store. We can create in vector store, and we can upload the data and try to use that one inside chat or any other services. So this is how it looks like. Apart from Azure OpenAI Studio, there is another version which is Azure AI Studio, where we can see more options. Right now, this UI and other thing is limited to only Azure OpenAI related models. We will see later how to play with how this Azure AI Studio looks like. So this is what I wanted to share in this very quick video.